How to make your partner your biggest fan. Have you ever wondered how to make your spouse or anyone else a big fan of yours? The first step is to clearly answer the question, what do you want? Often in life, we don't really know what we want. We keep it in our heads and don't express it so others can understand and meet our needs. Step 2, understand what your partner wants. Step 3, find ways to meet all their needs. Once you know what your spouse needs, work to fulfill those needs without expecting anything in return. You can only be truly happy in love if you understand what love really is. Remember, love is about giving, not demanding. When you keep giving, it's hard for others to resist your kindness because you're giving from a sincere place, which leads to your own happiness. If you ask for something and they deliver, you feel great, but if they don't, you might feel upset. When you truly understand this in your relationship, you begin to respond unconditionally. The more you give, the more you will feel loved. Step 4 is to become the biggest giver in their life and constantly find new ways to meet their evolving needs. And finally, don't forget to share what you want, just like in step 1.